What if I told you there's a secret superfood, smaller than a grain of rice, that can give you energy like an athlete, clearer skin, and even help with weight loss? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to chia seeds, nature's tiny powerhouse packed with unbelievable benefits. For centuries, Aztec warriors relied on these seeds for strength and endurance, and now, science proves they're one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Stick with me for the next few minutes as we dive into the mind-blowing benefits of chia seeds and how they can transform your health. And don't miss the part where I'll show you simple, delicious ways to add them to your daily routine. You might be wondering, what makes chia seeds so special? Well, let's break it down. In just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, you get more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon, essential for brain and heart health, more fiber than oats, perfect for digestion and gut health, more calcium than milk, strong bones and teeth, more antioxidants than blueberries, slows down aging, 5 grams of protein, ideal for muscle growth and repair. And the best part? They're low in calories but packed with nutrients, making them a perfect addition to any diet. Now, let's talk about how these tiny seeds can change your life. Ever feel bloated or struggle with digestion? Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, they form a gel-like texture when mixed with liquid, which helps to regulate digestion and keep you fuller for longer. Your heart works 24/7, so keeping it healthy should be a priority. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help to lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood pressure in check. Research even suggests that daily consumption of chia seeds can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Struggling with sugar cravings or weight loss? Chia seeds are a game changer. Because they're rich in fiber and slow down the absorption of sugar, they help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. And since they absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, they expand in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and helping you control cravings. Think you need dairy for strong bones? Think again. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all crucial for bone health. For those who work out, chia seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein, helping with muscle recovery and growth. Who doesn't want younger-looking skin? Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing wrinkles and keeping your skin hydrated and radiant. Now let's talk about how to easily add these super seeds into your diet. Chia water detox. Drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with a glass of water and lemon. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then drink it for hydration and digestion. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk or almond milk and refrigerate overnight. Add honey, fruits, or nuts for a delicious breakfast. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to any smoothie for a nutrient boost. Baking. Use chia seeds in muffins, pancakes, and even homemade granola bars. Egg replacement. 1 tablespoon chia plus 3 tablespoons water equals a perfect vegan egg substitute in baking. Before you go all in, here are a few important things to remember. Start small. Eating too many chia seeds at once can cause bloating if your body isn't used to fiber. Drink water. Since chia seeds absorb a lot of liquid, staying hydrated is important. Soak them first. Soaking chia seeds helps with digestion and maximizes nutrient absorption. So are you ready to start using chia seeds? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.